Hi, and welcome to Cash and Coins. I wanted to share some articles and commentary on why silver is still in demand and what is contributing to the silver shortage. Also, my latest pickups, including a 2021 silver Libertad. Okay, let's get into it. Hi, and thank you for joining me here at Cash and Coins. I hope you're doing well. If you're new, I hope you consider subscribing. I do appreciate it. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. So, as you know, I always buy silver and gold. I try to keep a certain ratio. I see a lot of channels lately promoting silver and gold mines or mining in general. If that works for you, do it. I'm not a financial advisor, so yeah, you have to do your own research. And I'll show you an article in just a minute about silver mines that might be interesting to you. Actually, I think all of these articles are really interesting. So, well, first, let me show you my latest pickup. And this is the 2021 1 ounce silver Libertad. And I also got the 1/10 ounce Austrian Philharmonic gold coin. I'm actually thinking about filling up a tube of these Philharmonics. They seem to be on sale quite a bit lately, so I have been picking them up. I'm trying to do my 100 pieces of gold challenge, so I'm adding this to that. I'm close to 80 now, 76 I think. I will have to count that down. All right, well, let's get into the articles. The first one is from The Bull, and I found this article on silver stocks and mining companies. It kind of addresses the silver shortage, but in a different way. The article mostly states that silver miners are not mining silver as much as they used to, and they are switching their operations to gold and other metals such as lead, zinc, and copper. Well, here are a few excerpts from the article. It starts off with the best available fundamental data on global silver supply and demand is published once a year by the Venerable Silver Institute. The latest World Silver Survey, covering 2020, was just released about a month ago. It revealed that only 20% of all the silver mined in the world last year came from primary silver mines. Nearly three-fourths of all the silver produced was merely a byproduct of lead, zinc, copper, and gold mines. It goes on to say, First Majestic Silver, also under its Canadian FR listing, in this leading silver stock ETF, has long been the purest major silver miner in the world. But it just bought a company to acquire a gold mine which yielded 113,000 ounces last year. Once that deal is finished and that gold attributed to First Majestic, it too will overwhelmingly be a primary gold miner. The major silver miners are investing in gold. So the dwindling silver miners are faring well, as they certainly should be with such high prevailing metal prices. So despite excellent silver prices, silver stock investing is a lot harder than it used to be. The major silver miners are pouring most of their growth capital into boosting their gold outputs. Silver production waned as their gold output surged. This ongoing shift continued to dilute the purity of traditional silver miners, leaving their stock prices more dependent on gold than silver. While more profitable, these silver stocks trade more like gold stocks. So this too might be a contributor to this silver shortage. The silver miners are focusing on other metals. Why? Perhaps cost, efficiency, or there just isn't enough silver. Therefore, a silver shortage will continue. I also found this other article on Yahoo Finance, silver industrial sector. It goes on to say, the rapid price increase over the last year likely is tied to the volatility of the market as silver, like gold, is often used as a store of value asset by investors looking to hedge against unstable markets. Even so, the trend is likely to continue even as the market stabilizes, as increased demand for silver from renewable energy industries reveals that silver is far more than a store of value asset. The article goes on to say, the combined total demand for silver is expected to exceed 1 billion ounces this year, with about half of that coming from industrial demand to manufacture tech with silver components. With the gap narrowing and the renewable tech sector continuing to expand and drive more demand, a deficit is imminent and suppliers will be enjoying a seller's market. And then I had to include this article from Coin Week on the silver shortage. It says, in fact, the LBMA, or the London Bullion Market Association, noted in a recent report that it would only have been a matter of weeks before London's existing stock was used up. And in February, SLV changed its prospectus to reflect this situation, saying that the demand for silver may temporarily exceed available supply that is acceptable for delivery to the trust, which may adversely affect an investment in the shares. Globally, demand for physical silver is estimated to have exceeded 200 million ounces for the first time in 4 years, according to that LMBA report. Demand for silver and spot prices are widely expected to remain strong in the coming months. Now, silver and gold are both down a little bit. The dollar went up, and as you know, when the dollar goes up, price of paper, silver and gold, always goes down. We all know that that is the nature of the beast. Now, I do want to say that all of these stories tell a lot about silver and why silver prices will continue to rise. Silver isn't being mined as much as miners are getting into gold and other metals, yet demand for silver is only growing, not only as a store of value, but as a needed and sought after industrial metal. Oh, and I did also want to show you this gall that I won from Stacker 2020, this hammered bar. It's really nice. I really appreciate him sending it to me. You guys can check out his channel. He's a great guy. And Stacker 2020, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts on silver and its outlook. Should we diversify as the miners are doing? Should we add more copper, gold to our silver stacks? I do want to say thank you for sticking with me to the end. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not already. And thank you for viewing. I do appreciate it. And as I always say, have a wonderful day and keep on stacking. See you on the next video.